Well, so I did a little video here removing these canisters here. This one's like a vapor canister and like a charcoal canister. Right, so this hose here goes to the back of the inlet manifold. Okay, it goes into this canister and then that goes to this sensor here, and this sensor comes out. It goes down here into this metal bracket here, and it's the right hand tube which then comes down. And it's this one. I'll have to see where that one goes, I can't remember exactly, but basically all we need to do is just connect from the sensor here to the back of the inlet manifold, and then we can just get rid of this metal pipe in here with another hose, which is what I'll do. So I'm going to pull that off. Now also on this metal bracket there is this pipe in this charcoal canister. I think it's a charcoal canister here. There is, let me just get over here. There is this one pipe that comes from another sensor. Now how do I describe this? This one I think is on the right hand side, sorry, left hand side, back of the engine, because it's got that plug on it there. So this one here exits out, and it's this red pipe here, wherever that was, and the other one goes to the charcoal canister. Obviously we're going to be removing this, so we can just vent that one off of here to atmosphere, put it somewhere out of the way where it's not going to make smells or anything. So this one here, top one here, we're going to vent it to atmosphere, and this one just got a vent to atmosphere anyway there, and then this one just loops from the bottom to the top, so we can just remove that and remove all this in entirety and just vent that one there to atmosphere with a new hose somewhere down the bottom of the car somewhere. The second part of this video, if you want to give this a firm pull up and it will pop off this bracket, you see it's got like these bits on here, but then there's this other hose that goes down to obviously vent into the tank down there, right? So you want to re-vent that underneath the car somewhere, or follow a line back to the tank and vent it near the back so you're not getting the fuel fumes. See it? So you're not getting the fuel fumes at the front of the car. So that's probably what I'll end up doing with this, but for now I'm just going to pull the pipe off, and I'll do that later on. And this can come out. It doesn't need to be all this like horrible. Look at that, it's fucking manky anyway. Doesn't need to be attached to anything. All good. There's obviously only two bolts holding on that bracket. The one top right there and the one bottom left, you can see, is removed. It's cleaned up the engine bay quite nicely. Look what the room you can see in it. I'll crap off the back of the manifold anyway, because I'm going with a Grady intake manifold. And this is it. That's it. All off. Looks like it's not much in there, but actually all the hoses and lines and everything over the top of the engine is going to make it look quite nice and clean. I'm not going to bother putting these in the original bolt holes. I don't see any point in doing that, so yeah, lovely jubbly. Needs a good cleaning there now. I'm going to get to doing some degreasing and rubbing down and painting anything I can see that's, you know, remotely a little bit like surface rusty. Obviously you can't see this stuff once the strut bar is on there, so all good. Happy days. She is my Evo 9. I'm not sure if she's a GT or an MR. I'm really not sure. Also, so I've got this here now. I just wanted to show you this. I'm going to replace some of these with silicone. I just wanted to show you. I've just put that in there to show that one goes where the yellow and black pipe originally went, which I usually cross over on that. I'm going to extend silicone wires, but I'll just put that in there for now. And also on this one too, just wanted to show you, obviously that one goes to the back of the intake manifold. This one here, which is this yellow wire, so that this one needs to connect to where the red one was, the black and red one. So just a little note there, just put it there just so we can tell. That's it. That's it. Pretty easily done. Leave the sensors connected, because I mean, with the hoses, you know, taken off and everything, it won't affect the car or anything, but with sensors connected it might bring up some codes, but it's going to be getting mapped anyway, so these are going to make no difference. Just leave them plugged in, not going to affect anything. Alright, that's it. nice, job done.